Alright, well, I got a pair of Lasfit blinker lights. They're LED, amber color. I'm going to be installing in my 2007 Toyota Sienna, made by Lasfit. I've got a few of these in my vehicles, and I actually put some cheap versions, not of this brand, but of another style that I got on eBay, and they were crap. Actually, I think they lasted a week or two, and then they started shorting out, and it got so bad that, you know, they kept blowing fuses. As soon as I put a new fuse in, it just popped them. So I think I paid like $5 or $6 for those. So I guess that the motto, you know, that motto says you get what you pay for. So these I spent about $50 on. These are, you know, got good ratings, and they got the CAN bus ready, which, you know, sometimes you have to install one of those resistors in line so it doesn't cause a hyper flash, you know, while it's flashing for the turn signal. So, but yep, I'm going to go ahead and install these in my 2007 Toyota Sienna, because I put the original bulbs back in because they were, you know, like I said, they kept shorting out. So let me get this set here. Okay, so yeah, my turn signals are really, my lenses are really foggy, but they're basically down here in the corner. So I'm just going to pull the plugs out, replace the bulbs, and install the new ones. So I'll get this set up, and y'all can watch me change them out. Okay. Okay. All right. So now I'll go ahead and test it out. Okay. Oh, those things are bright. Wow. That's the left light. Let me get the right one going here. There we go. Yeah. Wow, those are bright even in the daytime. Definitely won't have any problem with people, you know, seeing me make a turn. And there's the hazards. Yeah, those are really bright. They are very impressive. I definitely recommend these. I mean, yeah, you're going to spend a little bit depending on your make and model vehicle, but much better than the originals. Much brighter. So, yeah, nighttime, they'll definitely be able to see you if you're, you know, pulled alongside the road, or if you're making a turn, so people know what you're doing. So awesome. There you go, a quick install and test of some Lasfit front turn signal LED bulbs for my 2007 Toyota Sienna. Hope you enjoy it. Until next time, adios.